As Director of Digital Marketing at Supremo Coffee, you need to connect with customers and make every interaction matter. Let's explore how to improve marketing campaigns and better communicate with customers. To begin a campaign promoting new coffee machines, include customers who want to receive email or push notifications. Simple drag and drop means no technical knowledge required. Refine to customers interested in deals. Then exclude customers with active concerns or high sensitivity to over-messaging. With targeting and segmentation improved, create and deploy relevant campaigns. Easily customize process workflows to keep teams and projects on schedule, while collaboration tools enable seamless operations across distributed teams. Next, create your campaign. Easily choose critical settings, rules, and creative assets. Personalize campaigns with conditions matching successful segment groups. And improve message personalization by creating variations of campaigns for specific segments. To start mapping and automating customer journeys, select from a collection of pre-built templates. Then, easily edit each stage to create a journey that responds to customer behaviors. The program designer personalizes templates based on recommended next steps and actions. Then, review campaign settings before launch. Tag your web page and mobile apps to capture critical customer data to understand which customers are coming and from which campaign. Then respond quickly in moments of interest. Your customer, Sophia, has explored coffee products on your site. And when a coffee machine sale from your personalized email piques her interest, she clicks through to your website. Since we know whether customers are new or returning, Sophia is welcomed back with personalized messages. Oracle Behavioral Intelligence reveals customer journeys, connecting data in real time across the business for a unified view of customers. Heat maps reveal how customers navigate, so you can improve time on site and sales and minimize bounce rate. Sophia spent time browsing but didn't make a purchase. Thankfully, this automatically triggers your browse abandonment campaign, adding a great deal to Sophia's next email. As your campaign runs, so does embedded AI, alerting you to saturation levels, potential message fatigue, and more. Check campaign performance against original goals and align with inline KPI visualizations. Conversion numbers highlight successes when customers like Sophia make a purchase. Finally, Oracle Loyalty and Engagement helps create rewards and loyalty programs for your most valuable customers, like Sophia. Now that you've created a campaign and successfully engaged your customer, discover what Oracle can do for your business.